everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss some daily use sentences and their different ways to say. So, let's take a situation. You are doing some important work, and your friend asked you to play badminton with him or going somewhere with him, but you are not free at that moment. So, what do you say? You always say, I am busy at this moment. From today, stop saying I am busy at this moment. Instead, use these alternatives to enhance your communication skills or sound like a native speaker. You can say, I am currently unavailable. I am not free right now. I am currently engaged. I am currently tied up. And I am occupied at the moment. So, from today, start using these alternatives to take your English next level. Second sentence is, where do you live? Suppose you are going somewhere and somebody asks you, where do you live? You always reply, I live in, then you say your city's name. Let's suppose I live in Kanpur, or I live in Farrukhabad, I live in Delhi. Wherever do you live, you always say I live in. So from today onward, stop saying I live in. Instead, use these alternatives that will help you enhance your speaking skills. So the first alternative is, you can say I am from and then tell your city name. I hail from, then your city name. I belong to, then your city name. Start using these alternatives to enhance your communication skills. The third expression is wish someone luck. Let's suppose any of your friends, your family members, or relatives do something important in their life, you always wish them luck. Today we will learn some different ways, or you can say alternatives, to wish someone luck. The first alternative is best of luck. Let's take an example. Best of luck with your job interview tomorrow. The second expression is fingers crossed. I have got my fingers crossed for you. Hope you ace the exam. The third expression is wishing you success. Wishing you success with your new business. The fourth expression is all the best, which is commonly used. Everybody use all the best. Let's take an example. All the best for your trip. Have a safe journey. The fifth expression is break a leg. Let's take an example. Break a leg with your presentation today. If you like the video, please like, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you haven't already. Till then, take care, have patience, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving your English speaking skills.